A wood chip is a fascinating thing. And when I think about what the University of Maine has done with some of their biofuels efforts, and now the turning a wood chip into insulation, what is the next innovation that is going to lead to?
We have this future that we envision, not just in Maine, but everywhere, of sustainable products in every sector of the economy.
When we started this company, we were focused on creating the next generation of sustainable building products that utilizes our resources, our natural resources, and in these communities where we've traditionally manufactured, in this case paper, but now wood fiber insulation.
When we found this mill, it was about the people who had worked here before and what their knowledge of not just this building, but 24/7 wood products manufacturing and all of the value that they brought.
It's really about finding the partnership, and UMaine Advanced Structures and Composites are the partner for us to be able to take what we can do well, which is the manufacture, and to bring in what they do so well, which is the building science and the science behind wood, and really work together to ensure that we have a robust opportunity with these products that are durable and are going to perform well, and quite honestly, are going to result in the next generation of building systems.
To be part of the team that brings a manufacturing site back to life, it means a lot.
All of these are Maine folks who want to see some growth opportunity, that change, and it's really about all these diverse people coming together.
With research and development, it's a lot of crazy ideas, and that results in a lot of crazy problem solving to things you haven't seen before. What the engineering, technology, and UMaine programs do really well is expose you to as many things as possible. That way, when you get into the industry, I know where to find the answer, and I know what questions to ask that will help me arrive at a solution.
You know, for me, it's not about what any one of us has done, but it's what we've done together. It's about the Maine people doing something that is actually galvanizing and results in positive change.